Today, I am making a simple countryside meal for my kittens. Watch how Miko and Miki react before it's even ready. Right now, I'm preparing fish and squash for my two kittens. This is the kind of fish we usually have here in the countryside. Round or mackerel scad. Today, I found some really small ones. I'm deboning the fish first since this is for kittens. For adult cats, it's usually fine, but I want this to be safe and easy for them to eat. If you have a pressure cooker at home, this step is much faster. Some people remove the bones after cooking, but this method works best for me. Next, I'm slicing a piece of squash into small cubes. Now I'm putting the fish and squash into the pot. Plain and simple. No salt, no seasoning. I'm adding about 1 cup of water. I don't really measure when I cook. Everything is by feel. I let it boil until the squash is soft and easy to mash. Now I'm mashing everything with a spoon. If you have a blender, this part is much easier. And if you can hear the background noise, that's my kittens already getting excited. I'm scooping out a portion to feed them now and saving the rest for later. I don't use a refrigerator, so this will be their food for the rest of the day. If you do have one, you can make a bigger batch, store it for the week, and just warm it up before serving. That's it for today. Miko and Miki are fed, happy, and already ready for a nap. If you also make homemade food for your cats, let me know in the comments. What do you usually prepare for them? I'd love to hear them. If you enjoy simple countryside moments like this, feel free to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.